Sawadee-ka, it's Pam here and welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen channel. Today another one of glass noodle recipes that are easygoing and a favorable restaurant's menu that we can make at home. Gung op wun sen, easier than most people think, can adjust a little bit to make it kid friendly as well. Let me walk you through. Let's start with seasoning sauce for glass noodles. Of course, we're gonna need glass noodles. There are fresh and dry types. I'm using dried ones and we're gonna soak them in water in a bit. Shrimps or prawns. Traditionally, we're using the whole shrimp with heads and shells on. If you can't find these in your nearby supermarkets, try Asian shops. Or if not, the peeled and deveined version will work just fine. And there's a sharp pointy part right here. We're gonna get rid of them, especially if you are making for kids as well. Oyster sauce, light soy sauce, thick soy sauce. What's the difference from the light soy sauce? This one is not as salty, it's thicker and a little sweet and gives the color to the meal. Seasoning sauce, or we basically call it Golden Mountain, as the name of the brand. You can substitute with Maggi. Sugar, salt, water, sesame oil. This one is optional, Chinese cooking wine. It will give a very nice fragrance and blend the tastes. If you don't put it, totally fine. Coriander roots, these look a little sad, it's frozen. Not common to find where I live, so when I got them from Asian grocery shop, I freeze them. You can use coriander stems instead if you don't have the roots. We're going to use about 80 grams of glass noodles. Doesn't look like a lot right now, but this is enough for 3 to 4 people. Soak them in room temperature water. But if you are using the fresh glass noodles, you can skip this part, and some might call it bean vermicelli, bean threads, cellophane noodles, they're the same, made from mung beans. Remove the shrimp's rostrum, this chopped pointy part, and devein. You can use knife or however you normally devein. My favorite way is using scissors cutting in the middle. And goodbye, poo tubes! The shrimp's rostrums are normally used for defending themselves, but we're gonna win in this battle, so remove their weapons for the kids' safety. Okay, set them aside. Bring on the pot. Pour 250 ml water in. 4 tablespoons oyster sauce. 1.5 tablespoons light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon thick soy sauce. 1 tablespoon seasoning sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil for nice aroma. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. A pinch of salt. 1.5 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine. This is optional. You can add or skip it. A few coriander roots or stems if you don't have the roots. Mix them up and then cook on medium heat until it smells good. Then remove from the stove. Drain the water from the glass noodles we soaked earlier, and then soak them again in this sauce. And make sure everybody gets that juice. Set aside. Now the ingredients for baking. And when I say baking for this menu, I mean just a pot with a lid, not the oven. Then bacons, or pork belly, or pork fat. Basically, we need the lard from the pork. However, you can also just use vegetable oil instead, not a big deal. Garlic, ginger, coriander roots, peppercorns, black, white, or both as you like, some celery, and green onion. Slice the ginger into 4 or 5 slices. Then mash them to break out the fragrance. Same with the garlic. Cut the green onion and celery, don't have to be too short. Grind peppercorns, not too fine, just roughly. And put less if you want less spice. Now our glass noodles have already soaked up all the sauce, just put them by the side. Start with putting some pork fat in the pot. How much of it depends on how much fat your pork pieces have. I'm using about 3 tablespoons, just to prevent the noodles to stick to each other. Using medium heat, and stir until you get some oil from it. If you use vegetable oil, put about 2 tablespoons, and follow with the garlic, ginger, and coriander roots. Stir until they give off a nice smell. Should take only a few minutes. Then we're gonna toss the shrimps quickly to get some smell and taste from them. And do not completely cook them though, just about halfway cooked. If the shrimps are overcooked, the meat will get a little harder and loses its juice. Put the glass noodles on top. And a little bit of water. Cover the shrimps with the noodles. And then close the lid for about 5 minutes. Mix them up to spread the aroma from the herbs and the shrimps. Put the shrimps on top. Now you see the glass noodles have a cleared color now, means they're cooked. Close the lid again for a few more minutes. Put the crushed peppercorns. Mix them well. Top with celery and green onion. If you love coriander, feel free to top with the coriander as well. Then close the lid for one last 2 minutes. And voila, smells so good. Ready to serve. And there are extra tastes you can add to it too if you want. Put some Thai spicy seafood dipping sauce on it. I'll leave the link of the recipe below. And check out more Thai and Asian recipes on my channel and subscribe for more. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ